What if everything you know about Earth was the same, except for one impossible detail: humans never existed? No cities. No wars. No technology. No one to name the stars or question reality itself. In this video, we journey into a chilling alternate universe where evolution took a different path, where Earth remained wild, intelligent life stayed silent, and the universe unfolded without witnesses. Stay with me until the end, because what this world is missing might reveal the true reason humanity exists at all. A universe where humans never evolved. Imagine a universe almost identical to ours. Same stars scattered across the darkness, same blue planet orbiting a familiar sun, but with one critical difference: humans never evolved. No cities glowing at night. No languages, no empires, no wars, no art galleries or stock markets. Earth continued its long story without ever producing a species capable of asking why it exists. In this universe, life still emerged from the oceans billions of years ago. Microbes flourished, oxygen filled the atmosphere, and complex organisms took shape through relentless evolution. Forests rose and fell. Ice ages came and went. Dinosaurs ruled for millions of years before vanishing in a catastrophic extinction. Mammals diversified afterward, but none crossed the invisible threshold into symbolic thought, advanced tool-making, or self-aware civilization. Earth became a planet of balance rather than dominance. Large mammals still roam vast continents untouched by highways or fences. Giant predators hunt under pristine skies, guided only by instinct. Herd animals migrate freely across lands that, in our world, would have been carved into borders. Rivers flow exactly as nature intended, unpolluted by industry. Coral reefs stretch endlessly beneath crystal-clear seas, never bleached by climate change. Rainforests blanket the equator, uninterrupted by deforestation or mining. Without humans, the planet never entered the Anthropocene. There are no fossil fuel emissions accelerating climate shifts. Carbon cycles remain mostly stable, regulated by oceans, forests, and plankton. Temperatures fluctuate slowly, over tens of thousands of years, not centuries. Species still go extinct, but only at background evolutionary rates, not mass extinction levels triggered by industrial activity. Evolution remains the dominant architect of life, not human intervention. But intelligence does not disappear entirely. In the oceans, whales and dolphins continue evolving complex communication systems. Over millions of years, their brains grow larger, their social structures more sophisticated. They pass down behaviors culturally, teaching hunting techniques and migratory routes across generations. Some species of octopus develop astonishing problem-solving skills, manipulating objects and environments in ways that hint at proto-technology, though without fire, metallurgy, or writing, their intelligence remains bound to biology rather than civilization. On land, certain birds, corvids and parrots, develop intricate social hierarchies. They recognize themselves, remember individuals for decades, and adapt creatively to challenges. Still, no species ever makes the leap to reshaping the planet itself. There are no satellites orbiting Earth in this universe. From deep space, the planet looks unusually quiet. Astronomers from distant civilizations, if they exist, scan the Milky Way for signs of intelligence. They see oxygen-rich atmospheres, liquid water, and thriving ecosystems. But no radio signals. No artificial lights. No industrial waste patterns. Earth appears biologically alive but technologically silent. To them, Earth is a green world, full of life but empty of civilization. Time continues without witnesses. No history is recorded. Every story, every triumph, every tragedy rises and disappears without memory. Civilizations never rise because memory itself never escapes the nervous system of a single organism. When an animal dies, its experiences vanish with it. the universe remains largely unaware of its own beauty. There is no concept of progress. Without humans, there is no morality, no ethics, no laws. Predation is neither cruel nor just, it simply is. Suffering exists, but without philosophy to name it. Survival replaces meaning. Evolution replaces purpose. Life is not good or bad, it is simply persistent. Yet, this world is not empty, it is profoundly alive. Storms shape continents. Volcanoes create new land. Mountains rise and erode. The night sky remains unchanged for millions of years, stars burning silently while no one looks up in wonder. Supernovas explode unseen. Black holes merge without inspiring theories. The universe performs its greatest acts without an audience. And that raises the deepest question of all: does the universe need observers to matter? In our reality, humans gave the universe meaning, not because meaning is inherent, but because consciousness assigns it. We named stars, measured time, wrote equations, and asked impossible questions. In this alternate universe, none of that happens. Reality exists, but it is never interpreted. No one knows they are alive. Eventually, billions of years later, the sun begins to expand as it nears the end of its life. Oceans slowly evaporate. Forests burn away. The last remaining life retreats into shrinking ecological refuges. Earth dies quietly, just as countless planets have before it. No one mourns its loss. The universe moves on, unchanged by the absence of humanity. Galaxies collide. New stars are born. Time stretches endlessly forward. And yet, from our perspective, something feels missing. Because in a universe where humans never evolved, the cosmos is vast, complex, and beautiful, but it is never understood. There is no curiosity, no wonder, no fear of death, no dreams of the future. The universe exists, but it never becomes aware of itself. Perhaps that is humanity's true role, not to dominate the universe, but to serve as its mirror. A universe without humans may be peaceful, balanced, and pure. But a universe with humans is one that can finally ask the question, what am I? And in that sense, our existence, even with all its flaws, may be the rarest phenomenon of all. So, in a universe where humans never evolved, the planet survived, but meaning never did. Life thrived, balance remained, and nature ruled undisputed, yet no one was there to observe, record, or understand it. Maybe humans were never meant to be perfect caretakers of Earth. Maybe our true purpose was something far stranger, to give the universe a voice, to question its existence, and to turn silent matter into meaning. If this idea made you rethink humanity's place in the cosmos, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, sometimes the scariest universe isn't the one filled with destruction, but the one where no one is left to wonder why it exists.